Hey guys, Larry the Tractor Guy here. Hey, I want to talk about planting sesame with a 1770 NT planter, narrow transport planter. We've got it set up to plant some sesame, and I want to show you these RRV canola plates. Okay, this is an RRV canola plate. It's got really small sails, as you can see with this sesame, that it's pretty small. Okay, and so this RRV canola plate comes out of Canada. Okay, and you can Google these and order these plates, but a lot of canola plates will work for your sesame. You'll notice that a lot of your sails will pick up 2 and 3 seeds per sail. Okay, so typically there is about 150,000 seeds per pound of sesame. Okay, and so what we're shooting for is to plant about 2.5 pounds per acre of sesame. Okay, that's what we got it set up to do. So we're going to set the planter display up in the tractor for about 75,000 seeds. Okay, and that'll get our target pretty close, because like I said, it's picking up 2 or 3 seeds per sail here. Okay, and so another interesting thing about planting sesame, that seed is so small that RRV also makes this insert. Okay, so that insert will go into your meter, sort of like that. Okay, and that will kind of fill this gap here at the bottom so that you don't leak sesame, because you can really have a big leak there. Then you would put your plate in, and if you notice right in here how tight that plate is against that insert, and these inserts are wore pretty good, by the way, and so this customer is going to order some new inserts and some new plates, but that really fills that gap there to keep that leakage at a minimum on this canola plate. Okay, so one of the other things that you want to make sure that you have on your planter, if you're doing sesame, you want to make sure that you have a really good seal here on your drive hub. Okay, I recommend changing these seals if you're going to plant sesame. Like if you're going to do that every year, I recommend changing these seals on your hub so that you don't have a vacuum leak. Okay, because we're going to run pretty low vacuum with that, probably around 5 inches of vacuum, and we may even back off of that some more depending on what it looks like and how we come out on our seed population, because it's really hard for the planter to count these little bitty seeds. Those seed sensors on the planter actually cannot see those little sesame seeds. Okay, so your monitor in your cab is going to be going nuts with highs and lows, and tell you that it's not planting and all that kind of stuff, but you just got to keep on planting and then do the math at the end of the day. Really what we like to do is put one bag of sesame in the planter and then go ahead and run it and calculate your acres and make sure that it comes out right, because we really can't do a very good job of counting those seeds with those seed tubes. The other thing that you've got here is make sure that you've got a good door seal. Okay, make sure that these seals are good, and I would recommend to even change these door seals out if you're going to do sesame. Also, from RRV, as you can see the little knocker wheel, you definitely want to run a knocker wheel with that plate, and you definitely want to order that when you order these plates. Okay, so that'll help do a really good job for planting sesame with that planter. Also on these Pro Series meters, so one thing that you want to do is you want to run the baffle that you would run for Milo. Okay, so that would be your baffle that you want to use when you're planting sesame. I get this question a lot: what is this? Okay, that is the double eliminator. We do not use the double eliminator here on the Pro Series meter for cotton, milo, or sesame. Okay, the only thing we would use the double eliminator for would be for corn. So keep that in mind, that double eliminator ought to be all the way open. Okay, which is all the way down. If you can see the little notches there, we should have that all the way open. Just a tech tip of the day: make sure that you change your seals and make sure that you get everything set up right prior to planting your sesame. So Larry the Tractor Guy signing out. Hey guys, check out Larry the Tractor Guy videos here. other videos here. Subscribe here. And buy all your John Deere parts here.
We'll make it work. I think
We're gonna have to make it
we'll make it work. Come on, let's go.
We need to make
You need some food.
Y'all already
gotta
burned me out.
some bloopers.
He's sitting in the sun over here, man.